Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset Schlage Encode Keypad lock, Wi-Fi, battery and lock reset guide. Method 1. Perform a factory reset. Step 1. Remove the battery cover from the inside part of the lock. Step 2. Now locate the small black reset button, FDR button near the thumb turn. Step 3. Then press and hold the reset button. Step 4. Keep holding it while the LED flashes red. Step 5. Release the button when the red flashing stops. Step 6. Wait for the LED to turn solid blue. This confirms the factory reset is complete. Method 2. Reset Wi-Fi connection. Step 1. Open the Schlage Home app. Step 2. Now remove the lock from the app if it is still listed. Step 3. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 4. Now make sure your router's 2.4 GHz network is enabled. Step 5. Add the lock again through the Schlage Home app and follow the setup instructions. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.